In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dimension isometric piping drawing in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know how to place clean readable dimensions that sit correctly on the isometric axis, so your piping drawings look professional and easy to interpret. Start by opening AutoCAD and loading your isometric piping drawing. It's a good habit to work on a saved copy. Just in case you want to experiment and compare results, make sure your drawing units and object snaps are set the way you like, because accurate snapping to pipe endpoints, center lines or fittings will make your dimensions precise from the start. Next, type dim style in the command line to create or modify a dimension style. This is where we make your dimensions visually consistent. In the style settings, set the arrowheads to architectural tick. Ticks tend to read better on isometric drawings than closed arrows because they sit neatly on the angled axis and don't visually fight with the pipe geometry. While you're here, also confirm that your text height and overall scale makes sense for your plotting scale, so the dimensions stay legible without overpowering the drawing. Click OK to save your style. Now place your dimensions using dime aligned. Type dime aligned, then snap to 2 points along the pipe's actual direction. Typically the endpoints of a run, the face of flanges or key fitting points. After picking the 2 definition points, place the dimension line roughly near the pipe so it follows the same general direction. Aligned dimensions are critical in isometric work because they measure true distance along the pipe rather than projecting horizontally or vertically. With the dimension place, select it, type demedit and choose oblique. The oblique option lets you tilt the extension lines so they align with the isometric axis your pipe follows. This is what makes the dimension read in isometric, rather than looking like a standard orthographic note. When prompted for the angle, enter 30 or 150 or 90 degrees to match the isometric axis. Use 30 degrees for runs that angle up to the right, 150 degrees for runs that angle up to the left, and 90 degrees for vertical runs. If the result doesn't line up as expected, simply run dimedite again and try a different one of the 3 angles until it matches the pipe direction. Apply the same approach to each dimension on the drawing, keeping angles consistent for clarity across the sheet. That's it. Open your drawing, set your dimension style with architectural tick, place dimensions with dim aligned, then use dime edit with the proper oblique angle. Your isometric piping dimensions will look clean, accurate and consistent.